Are you ready to learn how to use bank feeds in QuickBooks? Maybe when it comes to add, match, find, exclude, you struggle because it's just not working for you. Maybe you have duplicates inside of your QuickBooks. You are in the right place if we've never met before. Hi, I'm Candus Kampfer, and I love to help business owners and bookkeepers with QuickBooks to become confident and to optimize it so you can make business decisions. Because guess what? The whole reason we use QuickBooks is to make tax time easier and to know what's happening in our business, right? And so often people come to me and they say, hey, Candus, I don't understand bank feeds. I know that it speeds up data entry, but I don't know what the different features are. Could you please create a training? And you asked, and I did it for you. So I wanted to share more about a special mini course that I created with you, a little bit about what it includes, who it's for, and who it's not for. So let me show you around, okay? So when we're talking about bank feeds, if you don't know what that is, it's where QuickBooks will sync to your bank and import transactions through either directly to the bank, or you can import them. Over here, you can actually upload them. And so that's one of the things that I am teaching inside our Master Your Bank Feeds training. It's a little mini course I created for you. It's about an hour long, and it's going to go through one, how to sync it, how to know the difference between the features that you have, what do you need to be doing in here. So definitely don't want to be putting things to uncategorized income expense, because guess what? That is not going to help you make any decisions, right? So you're going to go in, you're going to learn about how to optimize this for your business, whether it's your credit cards, moving money with your savings account, your bank accounts, whatever it is, how to sync them and how to import them, as well as things like how to use rules. So there is a feature in QuickBooks called Rules where it helps you speed up your data entry even more. So remember, when we're talking about bank feeds, you are syncing QuickBooks to your bank. It's bringing in the date, it's bringing in the dollar amount, but there are other things you need to be doing to make sure it's going to your reports properly. Remember, we talked about the whole reason we use QuickBooks is to help us make decisions. So if you're putting things to uncategorize, which might be what QuickBooks naturally does, this is a huge red flag for an audit because it's not actually putting it where you want it to go for taxes or for business decisions. So that's what I'm going to teach you is how to go in, how to navigate this, what it's actually doing, and how to create things like rules and what are the do's and don'ts with it, when to use bank feeds, when not to use them, and some of the extra features. Now, I am showing you QuickBooks Online, but we do have a variation for desktop as well. And I've created these into small bite-sized lessons that you can go back to at any time. So you can get access to all of this training by going to learnbankfeeds.com and find out whether you're desktop or online exactly how to grab it. We do have a special for pre-order, so if you happen to be seeing this before we roll it out live, make sure to grab that. You get to do an extra savings, more than 50% off. If you happen to be seeing this and it's after we have done it, still jump in and get started because bank feeds will save you time. Whether you're behind and you're trying to catch up before tax time for the whole year, or you've been using bank feeds, but you tend to get duplicates, you don't really understand, like, when I pay a credit card, why does it show up twice in my bank or my credit card? All of that is covered inside of Mastering Your Bank Feeds training. I can't wait for you to check it out. So you can click on the link, I will put it here, or you can go to learnbankfeeds.com to get started. And I can't wait to hear your biggest ahas or takeaways you've been asking, so I created this for you. Let me know down below what you're most excited to learn about bank feeds, and I will see you inside of Mastering Bank Feeds. This is a super simple step-by-step process, so whether you are newer to QuickBooks or you've been using it for a while, you are going to get to learn how to take your skills to the next level. If you have any questions, feel free to email us at support@canduskampfer.com, and I will see you inside of our lessons. Thank you so much for being part of my community. Talk to you soon. Bye.